Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I found some really great winter fashions that I want to show you. I love shopping online, but I really only want to shop online when I know I'm going to get good quality, and number one, more than that, is good price. I researched the internet and I found DHgate. They agreed to sponsor this video, and I was so excited because I found everything I wanted to buy for my winter fashions on DHgate.
Also, check out DHgate's Black Friday specials. What great deals on all kinds of great stuff. Check it out.
Let's get through my fashion show. I went crazy buying a whole lot of things because they were very inexpensive and they looked great online. I got a whole box. The delivery time was about a week and a half to get this box. In there are my winter fashions and my winter workout fashions. Because it's winter and it's getting chilly outside, and I needed to refresh my wardrobe. I want to show you how everything came to me so you'll know when you get it to your house. I like that they're in cellophane wrappers and inexpensive wrapping. There wasn't a whole lot of cardboard to go with all this. It seemed very economical and great for the environment that there was very little packaging. No fuss, no muss. So here I am laying them all out for you. You can see what I got. I really wanted some jackets and this knit top. Let's start with my top. This is how it came in the packaging. So I opened it up and this is what it looks like outside the packaging. And this is what it looks like on. I wish you could feel the texture of the material. It's thick, it's nice, and it's soft. This style, which I think is very sexy, is a double V-neck sweater. It has two V's and a beautiful neckline. I paired it with some black workout leggings. You'll see that in my winter workout fashion video. I put boots on, and I thought I looked really elegant to go into the office building for my meeting I had. That sweater looks good for about every occasion, and I love the color of winter white. I love the white, but I also am thinking about getting the green or the burgundy or the black. All of those colors are great colors. This sweater is a beautiful sweater. I like all of the colors. This cape is so luxurious. It has a retro feel to it. It is really warm. It is fur lined, so don't feel guilty about that fur because it's not real fur, but it feels as soft as real fur. It's really high quality. The outside is more like a suede, but it's not real suede. It just feels like suede. The flow of it is really nice, so when I twirl around, you can see how it extends in the air and captures the air for such a feminine feel. The interior lining is polyester and looks really expensive. I love the labeling. The labeling and the size, it came in a size 12, but basically it's a one size fits all because I'm really a petite or a small, but this cape is large, will fit anybody. Check out how I wrap it around me, lots of extra room, but yet really warm, and it looks great. One size does fit all in this luxury cape. This cape has become a real winter wardrobe favorite. I wear it all the time out to the restaurants I go to. It is so fun, it is eye-catching. There was this guy looking at me. I really didn't come to meet him. He was just staring at me. That's because that cape was so pretty. I knew he was looking at that cape, so I had to do a little twirl. That was so much fun. And off to another restaurant I go, and I walked down and I had a friend taking the camera pictures of me, but it caught everybody's eye because that cape was really unusual, really fashion forward, even though it's really a retro style with that cape. I love it. This cape is very inexpensive. It's under $60, but it looks like $1,000,000. And the length of the cape will fit any outfit. It's amazing. It looks great with dresses or pants. And in my video, I've shown you with all those looks. It's luxurious. The cape came wrapped in this cellophane package. It was wrapped small to ship easily, so I took it out and laid it on my counter. So this is when I first got it. I laid it on the counter. You can see what it looks like. Any wrinkles in there completely hung themselves out with no extra care, just by putting them on a hanger in my closet. Another winter fashion I really like is this little jacket I got. This came in cellophane wrapping as well. I opened it up, and there's that jacket. It is so soft. And I wanted you to see my hands rubbing over this jacket so you would know the quality. And there's the interior of the jacket, and there's the cute zipper. I often go to the beach for my workouts and my walks, and oh my goodness, it's chilly at the beach this time of year. So I'm wearing my workout fashions underneath this, but I wanted to show you how great this jacket looked with anything, and here I am just working out at the beach with it. It is so soft, luxurious, warm, and it has pockets. So I put my hands in the pockets to keep my hands warm. That's a nice little treat. Not every jacket has the softness in the lining that this jacket has. This jacket feels like I'm putting my hands around a little bunny inside. That's how soft it is. It looks like fur, but it's not fur. It's a fleece style of material. The inside is fleece lining as well, and that's what makes it so warm and so cozy comfortable. It's squishable. That jacket is less than $30 online at DHgate. It also comes in other colors. Let me show you. It comes in a crazy lime green. That's fun. Black, pink, and blue, besides the gray. But I liked the gray. The gray was just something soft and pretty about the gray. That was my favorite, so that's why I got the gray. That gray kind of blends in with the beauty of the beach, the ocean, the sky. So it's my favorite one to wear for my workouts. So I hope you liked my winter fashion video. These are only 3 things. DHgate has hundreds and hundreds. Fashion has been my interest right now, but they also have a whole lot of everything in every category. I'm going to be doing some kitchen accessories next. They also have a lot of accessories for my kitchen. They have anything for the household, whether it's your clothing or your household, indoors, out, automotive. I can't believe it. They're an amazing company with amazing prices. So I hope you get your link to get your winter fashions and all the things I wore today. You can just click those links and see the things on the website that I've already showed you, but they're there so you can just enjoy your time shopping, and there's more. I'm Rebecca Wren. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of the next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe was a recipe for really great winter fashions at a most amazing price. See you next time. Spill. That was my big spill. And if you're like me, you want an inexpensive sweater in case you spill wine all over the table. You know what? Because we all just want to have a good time. If you like this fashion video, there's more right there. I hope you like one of those too.